District 34 has received the top financial rating from the Illinois State Board of Education and the top bond rating from Moody's. The district spent more than $40 million over the last 15 years, an average of about $2.7 million annually, to address repairs, maintenance, and capital improvements. However, with the average age of the 8 schools now surpassing 57 years, many mechanicals are at the end of their useful life and unmet building needs still exist.
We've reached a point now where there are many mechanical systems, roofing systems, plumbing systems that have either reached or will be reaching the end of their useful life and must be replaced.
The last successful referendum for District 34, in the year 2000, funded construction of Attea Middle School. It's been more than 30 years since the community approved funding for district-wide facility needs. The district's new strategic plan, launched with the 2019-2020 school year, gives specific directives to the district to address aging facilities, equitably and responsibly allocate resources, and provide opportunities for the earliest learners to establish a strong foundation. If passed, the $119 million referendum will allow the district to honor the strategic plan and address its facility needs. It will extend the useful life of school buildings, reduce the need for emergency repairs, and improve efficiency. It also will allow District 34 to create space to provide full-day kindergarten.
Children need time to engage in not only direct instruction, group learning, conferring one-on-one conferences with teachers, but they really need almost equal amount of time applying those mini lessons and those opportunities for sort of taking in skills and understanding what they are, and then how do you do those things. We're not rushing through either the teaching side or the learning side.
Election Day is March 17th, 2020. Early voting starts on March 2nd. Be an informed voter. Attend one of the information sessions offered and visit glenview34.org to learn more about the district's facility needs, how the referendum funds would be used to address them, and how the referendum would impact you.